Unraveling the Mystery. Intransitive Verbs in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to demystify one of the key building blocks of English grammar: intransitive verbs. In particular, we'll explore how they work in sentences and how you can master their use. So, let's dive in. Intransitive verbs are verbs that do not require an object to complete their meaning. They stand alone, without anything following. For example, in the sentence, "The bird sings," is an intransitive verb. It doesn't need an object to make sense. The bird is simply singing, and we don't need to know what it's singing. A sentence with an intransitive verb follows the structure: subject plus verb. No objects are needed. Here are a few more examples. She dances. The cat purrs. They arrived. In each of these sentences, the verb is complete in itself, and there is no need for an object. Some verbs can be both transitive and intransitive, depending on the context. A verb is transitive when it requires an object, and intransitive when it doesn't. For instance, transitive: I broke the glass. The glass is the object. Intransitive: the glass broke. No object is required. Some common intransitive verbs include arrive, go, lie, sneeze, sit, and die. Remember, these verbs are complete in themselves and do not require an object to express a complete thought. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully, now you have a much better understanding of what intransitive verbs are, how they are structured in sentences, and how they differ from transitive verbs. Keep practicing and experimenting with these verbs in sentences, and you'll master them in no time. Happy learning! Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. So, keep going and enjoy the ride.